This is the final system in action, a network of digital nodes processing a WhatsApp inquiry in real time to secure a calendar booking. Instead of acting as a basic chatbot, this agent qualifies the lead's budget and verifies their move-in timeline before searching the broker's live schedule. We are going to bypass the manual node building process and deploy this entire architecture from scratch in 5 minutes. To follow this build, you will need an active n8n instance and a verified Meta developer account ready for API configuration. Building these workflows manually often takes a full day of debugging. Automating the structural deployment allows you to scale this service to dozens of clients simultaneously. Think of a functional agent as a chef working in a kitchen. n8n provides the technical infrastructure, connecting apps and triggering data without inherent intelligence. The system prompt acts as instructions, dictating the agent's role and exact steps to book. Reliable AI systems depend on this strict separation between technical execution and logical behavior. The first step is generating our technical infrastructure using Claude Code to write the n8n environment for us. Enter the command, generate a complete n8n workflow JSON for a real estate WhatsApp lead generation agent. Claude will output a raw JSON block. Save this file locally with a .json extension to ensure the formatting remains intact for the import. Now, copy that code, go into a blank n8n canvas, and paste it directly into the workspace. The system instantly renders a 12-node workflow, fully mapped with memory modules, triggers, and notification nodes. Generating the structure through code eliminates the manual configuration errors that typically break automated messaging sequences. With the infrastructure built, we need to generate the behavioral brain that will reside in the core AI node. Ask Claude to generate a system prompt that defines the agent's persona, a professional conversational tone, a strict budget qualification flow, and clear protocols for handling off-topic inquiries. Inside n8n, open the AI agent node and paste this generated text into the system prompt field. Generic chat models often wander into irrelevant topics. This constrained prompt ensures the agent stays focused on lead qualification and calendar booking. This prompt is the most valuable part of the build. It turns a basic chat window into an automated sales tool. Now we must establish a live connection between our workflow and the WhatsApp Business API using the Meta Developer Dashboard. In your developer account, create a new application and select the WhatsApp Business use case to begin the setup. This schematic highlights the 3 specific cryptographic identifiers required for Meta to authorize the connection: the app ID, the client secret, and the permanent access token. Once input into the trigger node, n8n authenticates with Meta, allowing a live data stream to flow. Official business line verification can take several days. To test your agent immediately, use a temporary phone number provided by the Meta dashboard. Completing this authentication officially links your AI logic to an active communication line for potential customers. As messages arrive, the workflow uses internal logic to decide how to handle each lead. Look at the lead qualifier node. This node uses conditional routing. Leads that meet specific budget and timeline criteria move toward the booking stage, while unqualified leads are tagged for future nurturing. The calendar slot node then pings the broker's Google Calendar in real time, finds an available gap, and automatically reserves the appointment. To ensure the sales team is notified, enter the broker's mobile number into the Notify node to trigger an instant SMS alert when a lead is booked. This automated routing ensures a human agent only intervenes once a lead has been fully qualified and a meeting time is secured. We'll verify the system with a live test. From a customer phone, we send, "I'm looking for a flat in Pune. My budget is 80 lakhs and I want to see it tomorrow." The agent immediately processes the budget, checks the live calendar for tomorrow, and offers a confirmed site visit for 5 p.m. The data flows through 3 distinct stages. The user input is processed, the calendar is updated, and the broker receives a lead profile with all the qualification data. The technical barrier to building these agents is disappearing. Within a year, the ability to build a bot will no longer be a unique selling point. As these tools mature, you should pivot from selling the software to selling the business result. A real estate firm losing 90%